Assalamualaikum. Good evening. Hope you all are in good health. Today I will talk about my business goal. My goal is to start an online business. My short-term goal my short-term goal is make a sales team within 4 months, and my long-term goal is build up a corporate office within 3 years. I want to start my business because I want financial freedom, and it's also my passion. I need a Facebook page and a website and product sourcing uh, and product sourcing. In I plan to complete all the preparation within 6 months. My main challenge is money management. Thankfully, my mentor and other entrepreneur will help me. I need to 1 crore taka as initial investment to start my business. Um, if everything goes, I earn 2 lakhs taka per month for this 2 lakh taka per month for this year. Thank you. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum.